Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this recovery mode error on Windows 10. You can see the error. It's look like Windows doesn't load correctly. To fix this error, you have to click on See Advanced Repair Options. Now you have to click on Troubleshoot. Now click on Advanced Options. Here you can see all the options. Now you have to choose Command Prompt. Click on it. Now you have to choose your login user. Now enter your login user password. Then click continue. Now you have to enter a command here, sfc space slash scan now and press enter to run this command. So with the help of this command, it will repair all your corrupted files on your Windows 10. It will take around 2 to 4 minutes to complete. So here you can see the process has been completed now. Now type exit and press enter. Now you have to choose continue, exit and continue with Windows 10 option. Here you can see my window is now loading. So thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.